everyone, my name is Anna Bean and I am on a mission. Welcome to my channel. Okay guys, I'm so excited. I got this as a surprise in the mail. A little backstory, when I saw this released, I was like, oh, I want it, I want it, I want it. But I did not buy it. I held out, actually went and looked at it twice online, and I was like, just don't do it. Anna, you need to be more disciplined in how you're spending your money. And I'm not a big shopper, guys, but when it comes to Happy Planner, it's tough, right? So I did so good. I did not buy it. I got this in the mail from my two best friends, Brandy and Lesley. Surprised me with this as an early birthday present. Now, my birthday is February 13th, and maybe that's why I love hearts so much, is just, I don't know, Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's Day. I love my birthday. I love my birthday being before Valentine's Day. It's so great. So I'm excited and I want to open it with you. So let's check it out. I have not opened it. Came in the mail yesterday and I was like, no, I can't open it. I got to save it. I want to open it with you guys. So I'm so excited. You know, how great that I didn't buy it for myself and I got it as a gift. Thank you, Lesley and Brandy. I love you guys so much and y'all spoil me rotten. I don't know what I'm more excited about. I think it's the notebook, but it's also the sticker book. And I really can't remember exactly what everything's in here. Oh, how cute is this? Look at the box. How cute. All of the heart eyes. I don't get it. If y'all understand what that means, please tell me. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Ah! Okay. Look. A little dashboard post-it note. It's heart-shaped. Love it. Love it. Some washi tape. Wow. Like 7 rolls of washi tape. Let's check it out. I like this width. Cute rainbows. I love you. Oh, the little lollipop suckers. These lollipop suckers totally remind me of school, of like elementary school, and I love it. Do you remember the pens that had like a clear heart and the pen stuck into the top part? Yeah, I'd really like to find those. Some lips. Let's see. This matches the tissue paper. Little hearts and stars and circles. Feeling cute. Oh, with little eyelashes. And then XOXO. Too cute. Too cute. Put those there. There's beauty all around. And then it says everything that's on the back. It tells you everything that's in here. But we're going through it, so we have to. Okay. Oh, this is what I wanted so bad. Oh, yes. Oh, I love it. I love it. Pop these back on right quick. I love it. I love red, hearts, flowers, and my word of the year. One of my words. I have 2. Enjoy and bloom. Let love bloom. How sweet. I'm cutting into this thing. All right. Let's see, super cute little doodly divider. Oh, cute little paper. I like this side better than this side. It says, jot it down. Follow your heart. Send love and flowers. Oh, how cute. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? Oh, thank you, ladies. I love it. Love it. Sticker book. We'll go through that in a second. And then this is a sticker storage container. Yay, and it's pink with white hearts. I love it. Oh, that's cute. I normally, when I receive these in my happy boxes, I normally give them away, but I think I might have to keep this one. I might have to. Okay. I'm so grateful. I'm so very grateful. All right, let's check out the sticker book together. Won't make it too long. Oh, super cute. Colors are kind of different, huh? They're very muted. Love this red. Look, the little candy. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, I love this page. Very cute. I love the little record player. And that little bouquet of flowers is so pretty. Oh, look how cute. This life is so very lovely. I love that. And these are adorable. Oh, I love the talking hearts. Hey girl, love this. So cute. Kiss, kiss. Babe alert. Oh yeah. Looks like they're all different. They are. How cool. Boxes and bullets. Oh, it's big. They're big stickers. Oh, and look at these checklist. And red foil with hearts. I love this. I love it so much. Eat cake for breakfast. Cute. Lots of cute things. Oh, those are cute. All right. I like these a lot. This one's super cute. Happy Valentine's Day. Buy yourself some flowers. Okay. Valentine party. Oh, I can use that for my son's Valentine's party for his class. Feeling the love. These are adorable. Looks like the back of a post-it card. I mean, a postcard. Too cute. I like these little hearts with the heading. The little heading. Oh, there's more. Okay. Be happy, be bright, be you. You are something magical. I sure do love this life of mine. Gratitude. That'll be perfect. Right, I'm going to try to go a little faster. Some monthly boxes and stickers. Love these boxes. Oh, some long boxes. Look, gold foil with the hearts. Love it. Some gold foil letters, some colorful letters. Great looky. These are great. Great box stickers. Love it. Oh, these are super cute. Okay, oh, more talking hearts and colorful talking hearts. Some washi strips that are adorable. Some more boxes. Oh, another little record player. How cute. These are on paper. I love that, of course. Oh, look at the lips. That's cute. True beauty blooms from the heart. Live a life filled with love. Love that. Loving the sweet life. This is where the good stuff happens. Happy notes, so important. All the plans. Cute, cute, cute. All kinds of word strips. Oh, these are cute. Those are different. Time with friends, weekend adventures. One busy weekend. That's cute. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Oh my goodness. Oh, those are cute. Let love bloom. Oh, that's pretty. These are so super cute. Look at those giant cherries. Those are adorable. Okay, I keep saying so super cute, but I'm not going to apologize for that because it is so super cute. That's all. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I pray you have a wonderful day. a fabulous day. I pray that your heart is happy. Pray that you have a smile on your face, a little joy in your step. And thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.